Hey everybody, QuadShots is back for our second video where we're going to be shooting some Goliath Rimfire Exploding Targets. Here's the box they come in, and here are the targets that I've already mixed up. Here's the target, and here's the bag with the explosive in it. They come with this little container to mix it in with the beads, and then you pour the catalyst in. And so, yeah, let's go shoot them.
Yeah! Oh,
It's smoky in there.
let me zoom out.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Okay, let me get a picture inside. Oh, yeah. Look.
Wow.
Here's the target. Oh, no, that's the other target.
Here's the remnants of it.
Yeah, here's the remains.
We blew some all the way over there.
Yeah. Some right back there.
Left of our target practice. The blown up front wall, the side wall, our poor target, and this basketball. The most destruction. Okay, see you next time on QuadShots.